guys, I'm sure just like the most of us here, your 2022 was also full of ebb and flow. So for 2023, why not change things a bit and try creating resolutions of a different variety? New Year's Eve feels even more cheerful and promising than usual days. Obviously, because it is a reflection of what 2023 holds. So New Year resolutions will be even more crucial as it will create a way to stock up new ideas and make you realize what is more important in your life. So gather your flatmates and think about ideas that can help evolve. Because with every passing year, if you're not evolving, you will never realize what the new year has to offer. Hello everyone, this is Sanskriti, your study abroad buddy, and today I'm going to help you with some brand new student edition resolutions that you can, take and create and promise yourself to change about yourself in 2023 at your new home. So talking about the first resolution, try working on getting fitter and not skinnier. Since when did the numbers matter? After all, at the end of the day, it's about how amazing you feel when you're active and working out and not about what the weighing machine has to say about you. The second thing that you need to do is stop gossiping. The Bible considers gossiping as one of the greatest sins. Well, keeping the jokes apart, or maybe not, doing gossiping will only spread negativity around you. Don't want to sound preachy or anything, but when you talk lies or spread negativity around people, you are just proving to the world that you are not trustworthy. And I'm sure you want to avoid that situation. The third resolution that you can take is take some time off from social media. Cutting social media off for a day or two can do wonders. And it's not just me who's saying this, but it's scientifically proven. Your stress, anxiety, FOMO, and messed up sleeping schedule will show improvements. And if it works effectively, you can try it for a period of a week or a month depending on your situation. The fourth thing that you can do is a random act of kindness. Well, the idea is to bring smile on someone's face with a little thing that you can do. It could be helping an old person cross the road, or feeding a hungry puppy, or maybe making a cozy space for a cat in such chilly winters. After all, kindness does not cost a penny. You can also call a long-lost friend and tell them how much you miss them and have a nostalgic chit-chat. All you have to do is just make that effort. The fifth thing that you can do is clean the clutter. Growing up, we must have often heard that health is wealth. And adulting made us realize that this is actually true. So following this, cleanliness will not only improve your mental health, but will also make you an organized person. I know I said it in an opposite way, but you get the reference, right? So, just like studying abroad comes with a lot of learning to do on not how to misuse your freedom, cleanliness is also a part of that. The final thing that you can do is write down one thing in your journal that you're grateful for every night. Staying away from friends, family, and home in a new land can be a bit overwhelming. Therefore, you need to find little joys in everything that you do on a daily basis. Try to write something or journal about it at the end of the day. It could be anything, like literally anything. It could be something that you did for someone, or something that you learned to cook, or a little appreciation from someone. All you have to do is just express it in a way that makes you happy. So these are few new resolution ideas that you can add in your 2023. You can even improvise and create your new ones and add them in your list. But just remember to stick with them, because this year, it's important that you put you first. This is Sanskriti signing off. Have a great year, everybody. See you all in the next video.